Welcome to our painful lotto masters. If today is your first time watching, subscribe to our channel and also share the link to others. Today is Lucky Tuesday and we have a simple plan for you today. This plan is very simple, so I will kindly urge you to pay attention to the plans we have today. So we're going to do a yearly plan and some movie numbers and some other events to watch, and we have some counting weeks also to look at. So let's get straight to business. So we have 2022, 2023, 2024 respectively. So we're going to check on the first one. So at 2022 on event 753, we have the last week of January. That's 85 first box in winning. 85 has to counter 40 to drop at the center box. The immediate counterpart of 85, which is 40, has to drop first time of dropping at the center box. That's what you're going to use to do our plan. So we have 85 drop, 40 at the second box. No, we don't have, we don't need it. It must drop at the center box. That is 40 here at the center box. You could see 40 dropping also here. We don't need it. You could see 40 also dropping here at the center box. We don't need it. We need the one which drop at the center box. The first time it dropped at the center box. That's what I'm going to use. So we say 2022, last week of January, 85 at the first box, counterpart to 40, drop at the center box. Counterpart of 85 is 40. The calculation is any number greater than 45, we subtract it from 45. Any number less than 45, we add it to 45 to make it counterpart. So we have 40 here. So the line event is used to do our plan today. So let's watch the second one at 2023. So here 2023 on event 804. That's last week of January. Last week of January we have 25. So as I said earlier on, if the number is less than 45, we add it to 45. So we have 25 plus 45, going to give us 70. 70 has to also drop at the center box. 70 must drop at the center box. So when you check, 70 came to drop here on event 841. So we have 70 dropping at the center box. So the line event also is an event to watch. So we compare these two events. So let's check the 2024 on. So this 2024 on event 856. We have 73, which is at the last week of January 2024. So 73 has to go a minus of 45 to give us 28. 28 also has to drop at the center box to make our plan work. So 28 drop here, but we are not going to use it because it's not going to work. So it has to drop at the center box. So it's going to drop at last week, which is event 905, which is last week. So 28 drop. 28 plus 45 is going to give us 73, which we have at our first winning box in January, last week of January in 2024. So this between 2022 and 2023 are going to give us the results for 2025. Okay, this has eaten into 2025, so we're going to use to do the 2025 draw plan. So let's get back to 2022. 2022 we have that single 3, 63, 53, 31, and 52. So comparing the two events, so here also 2023 we have single 3, 33, 19, 62, and 32. So between these two events, we have single 3 as a common number here. So we have single 3 here, and also we have single 3 here also. So we choose single 3 to be our banker on this plan. So I'm going to have that single 3 as our banker for today. So from there we could see 60 columns. 60 columns. The first one at 2022 we have 63. The second one at 2023 we have 62. So difference 1, 62, 63, difference 1. So the latest one we're going to have 61. So 63, 62. So 2025 we're going to have that 61. So we add 61. So again we could see ending 2. Ending 2. That's 52 at 2022. Then we have 62 again and 32. So we have ending 2 here. So with this one, we can say 52, then came to drop 62. So 2025, we are expecting 72. Went a plus of 10. 2022 gave you 5-2. 2023 gave you 6-2. 2025 is going to give you 7-2. So write 7-2 down. Or the 32 there can give you 12. 52 minus 20 will give us that's 32. Minus 20 again will give us 12. So we can even add 12 to these numbers. Okay. So we have that 30 column there. 30 columns. We have that's 31 at 2022 events. And here we have 33 and 32 here also. Okay, so we have 31, 32, 33. Okay, so instead I'm going to choose the 31, 32, 33. Then let me say 35. When you check on event 888, 41 dropped. 10 weeks down to event 897, resurface 41. So 10 weeks down to event 906 is today. So we have 41 also there, so write it down. So when you come to event 898, lotto drop you, that's 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks down to machine came to resurface 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks down to event 906. It has to move from machine to winning as a counting week. So 42, write it down. At 2023 on event 808, we have a lock event here to Lucky Tuesday current. Lotto drop you, that's 16. Locking this event with 24. So when you check, we have 24 and 16 locking an event here. So on the lock event, we have single 3, 89, 19, 31, and single 9. So we take note of this lock event. Let's watch this transfer from Aseda Lotto to Lucky Tuesday. This plan is moving up from event 84 to event 81. So lotto drop you that's 26. Following up came to drop you 31. Following up came to give you 38 with 75. Locking this event with 28. So when you check with the current paper at Lucky Tuesday, we have that's 26. Following down came to drop you 31. Following down came to drop you 38 with 75. Locking the event with 28. So on a lock event, we have 60, 10, 29, 42, and 21. So we take note of this event carefully. Check on event 85 also. We have an event to watch. Lotto drop you 38 with 75. So the underlying event is an event to watch. We have that's 89, 72, single 4, single 1 with 87. So we take note of this event also. This transfer from Monday special Lotto to Lucky Tuesday at 2012 on event 320. Lotto drop you that 75, 28, 16, placing 48 in machine. So an alarm event is an event to watch. So when you compare, we have 28, 16, 75, placing 48 in machine. So the alarm event, we have 34, single 9, 40, single 7, and 50. So we take note of this event. So thanks for taking us through our Lucky Tuesday plan today. So this is our 5 numbers combination for Lucky Tuesday today. So we have that's single 3, 61, 40, 19, and single 9. Our teacher for today is single 3, 19. Our backup for today is single 3. So you can go in for any of our events to watch, or our 5 numbers combination, or our 2 short. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel and also share the link to others.